Longtime rivals, Toyota Rav4 and Honda CR-V, have faced off against one another. But if you're looking for a new SUV in 2023, it seems like the CR-V might be a better choice. The Honda CR-V enters its 6th generation in 2023, whereas the Toyota RAV4 is still in its 4th. These two vehicles are quite comparable. You can choose between buying a conventional gas engine or a hybrid one. Given that it is noticeably bigger than the RAV4, some people may prefer the Honda CR-V. Compared to the Toyota, it has more space for passengers. But now we're here to compare the SUV's resale value. Which car is more profitable to buy now in order to sell in 5 years? Let's do some math. It's the Lazy Rusher. Subscribe and let's get started. Let's do some research. Select car make, model, current vehicle age set to new. Fill in the current price option. Own it for 5 years. Annual miles is 12,000. After 5 years, the Toyota RAV4 will lose 21% of its value. The car will cost about $22,535. Car brand Toyota and word value go hand in hand, and the RAV4 is no different. This SUV is among the best value-retaining vehicles available, and it blends in well with the overall value provided by the majority of the Toyota fleet. These models, whether bought new or used, are exceptional values due to their dependability and low operating costs. Here's the Toyota RAV4 depreciation table. As you can see, in 5 years you will get the total depreciation of $5,990, and the car resale value will be $22,535. It's 79% in residual value. Let's compare this numbers with the Honda CR-V. A Honda CR-V will lose 18% of its value over the course of 5 years and have a $25,619 resale value. The Honda CR-V has established itself as a top-notch car with good value retention. It is right at the top of the small SUV segment in terms of low depreciation. Take a close look at the CR-V, whether new or used, if you needed transportation in this area. The depreciation of 5-year-old CR-V is $5,491. The car's resale price in 5 years will be $25,619. It's 82.35% in residual value. So, comparing these two SUVs in resale aspect, we can make a conclusion that Honda CR-V will keep more resale value. Not much, because both these models keep their value well. Hope this video was useful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.